Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Now what we can see here on this week, what has happened on the Monday, the price has opened a little bit on a higher level than the previous week has closed, and from there the price has moved down. It has reached here the demand zone around 1.06736 support level, and from there the price has bounced a little bit up, reaching this level 1.07369. From there the price on the Tuesday has broken below this support level, which I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, that this support has less significance than this one here and this one here. So the price has broken below on a daily time frame without any problems. After the price has broke below, it has made a retrace around to this supply level, which now was resistance for the price, and from there has moved down and reaching 1.05087. The price has broke below this level, this support level, much faster than I have expected. But these levels, which was mentioned last week in the previous analysis, 1.05825 and this one 1.05087, was mentioned as a strong support level, which was also visible here. The strongest one was this one. If we take a look on a monthly and a weekly time frame, let's check first a monthly time frame, what has happened since the last week. We have price broke below, and on a monthly time frame, this level, which is 1.05087, is the support where the price found a strong support and bounced back and make a retrace. What we can see here now for this month, which has ended with the price here around this level. It didn't broke below 1.05087, but it has stopped. What we can see here on a weekly time frame, price has reached this level, what we can see here, this one, and bouncing from this one. So we can expect the price to make a little bit of retrace. Let's get back on a daily time frame and see what has happened also on the Friday. The Friday, as usual, when the sellers or buyers have entered into the trade at the start of the week, and if they make a lot of money, they will try to exit on Friday and lock the profits. And this is what has happened. On a Thursday, the price has stopped here, but on a Friday, the price retraced back completely to this first resistance level for the price, where we can make a conclusion the sellers has get out to lock the profits before the weekend starts, and then the price retraces back. So it is always smart to trade and to avoid trading on a Friday after a big move, because most of the time you can expect the price will make a retrace on Friday when many traders get out. So for the next week, what can we expect? On the below side, we have 1.03920 as a strong support. And on the upper level, we have 1.05825 as a strong resistance, but also a much stronger resistance at 1.06736. This level I have explained in the last week analysis, that the price have much stronger resistance at this level than it has a support. And this is what I have explained previously. When the price goes down, the price goes through this level, this support level, much more easily. There is no problems. But when the price goes up, when the buyers are pushing the price on higher levels, it will have much more problems than the sellers. You can see here, when the price is moving up, it has problems breaking above. Then again, when the price is going up, it has problems to break above. Also, here is the same scenario, here is the same scenario, here is the same scenario, and here is the same scenario. So we can expect the price is currently at this level here. It will have a much more problems breaking this resistance level, then it has breaking this one. What we can see here, this 1.05825 is a less significant resistance for the price. Let's see what has happened in the previous attempts. When the price was down and when it was moving up, this resistance level was not so strong. Again, when the price was down and going up, this resistance was not so significant. Then again, in the next attempt, this resistance was not significant, but it reached here also higher levels. This one was also not significant. You can see the price has reached or above, close to this resistance level. So the next week, what we can expect from the price is to make a retrace upwards. But on the lower levels, what we can see here is this support level. After the price has reached this support level, it has retraced back to 1.07825. After reaching this resistance level, the price returned back down and tested this level as a support. 1.03920 is the next support for the price, which will have significant impact and preventing the price moving below. If we take a look on a monthly and a weekly time frame, let's check first monthly time frame, we will see what has happened in the past. What we can see here, this month has ended, and if we take a look how this overview looks, it is similar to this one, and to this one. A strong selling pressure for the month, a strong selling pressure for the month, and a strong selling pressure for the month. Each month has stopped here at this level, and that is 1.05087. So we can expect the price will do the same this time. We can see here the lower level was here, and also this price for this month almost reached this price level. What has happened in this attempt, it is that the price has returned back close to 1.07825, but it has reached 1.07326, so it is around 1.07300. On the next attempt, the price also made a retrace, but the retrace was also above to 1.07825 and 1.08846, what we can see here. Then on the next attempt, when the price has moved down, the price made a retrace back up all to the 1.07825 and close to 1.08000. So in these three cases, which are similar as this one, has made a retrace for certain to 1.07825. We can expect the price will do the same. So if we make a back to a weekly analysis, let's see what has happened previous attempts when the price was moving down. This is the first attempt. The next week has closed here. It is also this resistance level for the price, which I have mentioned. On the next attempt, it was the same case. On the next attempt, it was also the same case. And in this one attempt, the price has retraced back up. So, at least 3 times we have the same scenario, what has happened. Then, let's move on a daily time frame and check what can happen in the following week. So based on the previous history attempts when the price was moving down, we can expect the price will make a retrace to this level, 1.07825. From this level, on the below side, we have 1.03920. So on the upper side, we could expect the price to make a retrace, but to verify the price will make a retrace, we need to see the price closing above this resistance level, which will allow the price to reach higher levels. We have here a confluence of resistance where we have a downtrend resistance line crossing with this horizontal resistance line, so we can expect the price will have a problem reaching higher levels from here. For certain, we can expect the price to reach this level, which is a confluence also between the buyers and sellers, and the highest level, which was this week, was this level. We have seen on a monthly time frame that this level was also a price where the price has made a retrace from this price level. From here we could expect to find a selling price action signal, which would be a great entry signal and a great entry level to reach lower levels. On the below side, if the price closes on a daily time frame below this level, the next one is 1.03920. It is a support level I have already mentioned. It is a strong support where we can see and expect that the price will make again a bounce on the higher levels. But I would wait until the price closes on a daily time frame above this level to verify that it will make a retrace on the higher levels, or if the price closes below this levels, it will mean the price will move further down. So for the next week, it is much better to wait until this level or this level is broken and then trade accordingly based on this analysis I have already mentioned. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!